Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Minasan konbanwa. Good night for all. So now I want uh, to teach you how to create a simple engineering drawing. So I will send you this file. This is for the notes. So you can see this is the notes that I will give you. So you can just for the view before this. So I want you to create this kind of object. So if you can see, this is 120 and 90. So I will start to create this, and then from this you can see 20, 35 and 90. So I will to create these three lines, and then uh, 20, 45, 55 for these 1, 2, 3 lines as the the reference. So and then I will create the chamfer here, and then the circle, and then this radius. So uh, I will create for first of all, open the AutoCAD, and then use the template that I have just shown you. Open the template and then draw a line first. After this you will use a rectangle, but this time I want to use line, and then you can specify first point. For example, I like the, for example, 100 over 100 comma, and then, or you can tap enter 100, and then for example this is how much, 120 and 90. Okay, we create that line first, 120, and then go up 90. Oh sorry, go up first and then 90, and then bring your mouse to left, 120, and then C enter. Okay, you can click Z for zoom, E extend the selection like this. Okay, at this side, uh okay, first of all I want to create the circle point. Okay, 20, 35, 90. Okay, to copy this you can create first, create click the line that we want to copy. You type CO for copy, enter. Okay, you can click everywhere, make sure the auto mode is on. You can click here, and then you can move your mouse right or left. So now you want to copy here. Sorry, I forgot. 20, 35, 90. Okay, you click here. Okay, you see the line is moving to the left. You type 20, enter, 35, enter, 90, enter. So it will copy this line. For example, measure, you can see this is 20, this is 20 plus 15, 35, and then this is uh, 35 plus 55 is 90. So this is the first one, and then you can also see here 20, 45, and 55. So you also can use offset, but for offset, enter 20, enter. You can use this for 20, but after that you must escape. Escape. Next one, 20, 45, and 55. You must create three times. O enter, 45 enter, and then uh, uh, O enter, 45, offset for 45, enter. You must create again, and then escape, another O enter, 45, 55, 55 enter. You can also create like this, but it will create a longer time. But you can choose, just I said just now, O enter, sorry, select the line you want to copy, copy, CO for copy, enter, click anywhere, and then move your mouse to up, 20, enter, 45, enter, 55, enter. So this will be the center of the first circle. Okay, okay, this is 20 here. The upper one is 50 of radius and 20 of radius, 20, 25 and 10. Okay, the first one is the mid one, and then the top one. Okay, I see, enter. First of all, this point is here, so this is the radius is 10. Next one, see, enter. The upper one is 25. See, enter. Here is 20. So it will create 3 circles here. So first of all, I want to trim the outer part. So I create click here first, tr, trim. You can trim this line because these two. So you can click escape, select this line, trim also the line that gone over this, trim, and then another line, tr for trim. You can trim. Okay, you also can drag like this, drag like this, means every line there is cross this circle, the circle that I choose, like a knife, and then the outer line is what we call is delete. So next one, so you create O for offset, enter, 3, enter. You can offset like this. Okay, these two I use offset. You can click EX for extend. So you can drag like this, drag, so the line should be extended like this. This also same, and then you can delete these two lines, these two circles. Another way to extend the center line, click line, you move your cursor here, there will be lengthen. So click lengthen, move upper and 3, but it takes time. Lengthen 3, click here, and then you can also lengthen 3 mm. This also lengthen 3 mm. So this is how we can lengthen this. So we have created center line and T circle. So this is chamfer. 40 for the first line is 40 and second line 30. So I want to create a chamfer. CHA, enter. D, enter. The first distance is 40, enter. The second distance is 30, enter. So you click this is as the first distance, and then this is the second distance. And then another one is fillet. So this is fillet. This is fillet. If you click move your mouse here, it will show you what is the fillet, and so on. So fillet, F for the fillet, enter. For fillet, I always choose radius, R for radius. And what is the radius? Radius is 35. 35. So I type 35, enter, and then first object here, second object here. So it will create these lines. So if you want to print, so I teach you how to print first. For example, you want to print it at A4. Okay, after this I will teach you how to align space. But today, just using this. This is paper space. If you scroll mouse, this is the paper only. And then if you click the paper, it will become the model, and you can move this. For example, you want to create 1/1, 1:1. So means the paper into, and you can move your uh, circle here, for example, and please lock this. And then if you want to off the grid, also can. The grid, if you print it doesn't appear. So you click the model. So this is the basic too. So for example, if you want to type something, mtext, m multitext, mt, enter, click here to here, for example, and then justification, for example, media center, for example, uh, engineering, drawing, and CAD drafting. For example, click here, and then projection, just mtext first. After this, I will give you the symbol. Justification, media center also. For example, third angle. Okay, drawing title, you choose mtext, multi-text, box from here to here as a box. This one you can choose middle left, space once, and then for example, line and circle, drawing number. Okay, for others, you can click this CO, copy, and then put here to here to here to here to here to here, here and here and here. Just you just copy this one. So I repeat, select the circle, CO for copy, enter, click here as the base point. So the same base point is here. You can put down here, check by, so you can, put down like this, and then you can, for example, drawing number is 2025 000. This is not uh, just exercise. Date, for example, you put this today, 2 kosong 225 1105, and then just double click, so you don't need M Zulfahmi. So this you can write down your name. Then for example, this is your student ID, EG02A Nanagoichi. Okay, for example, check by, for example, me also M. Okay, scale, this is 1 to 1. Double click here, 1 to 1. Size A4. Revision no 0. So for example, you have created like this, but if you see, if I print now, for example, I save first, save first, okay, 2005 000. Okay, and then I go to A4 and I print. Okay, desktop, PC, D, work, JUP, 25, engineering and CAD drafting, CAD. So I save here. So you can see it will create something like this, but you see this is not technical drawing because the line width is same, so it should be like this. You can see the solid line and the thin line, the thick line and thin line like this. So to make sure this, so you go to model again, select all. Here you can put the into solid line first, and then select the center line, all of this center line, put in the center. So you go again here, and then you print once more, click OK, because I have set this 00 updated. For example, here is this. So it will create something like this. So this is your first drawing, please try to do this to learn how we can create a line and a circle in technical drawing way. So you can see very clean and neat drawing, technical drawing you can create by using these techniques. So I hope this video will help you. So please try to do this. No need to submit, just for your training, for your lesson. If you want to learn AutoCAD, this is the basic way. So thank you. I hope this video will help you. Berilmu untuk berjasa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.